Hey, have you ever wanted to get better at OSU? Well, fear not, for the Loli-Fi has got you covered in his tutorial on how to get better at OSU. So enjoy this beautiful 50 subscriber special. Yeah!
Step 1. You must learn how to draw the anime ties. Yes, drawing them ties will help you lots. And you must also know how to write the Japanese, so knowing the tradition of Japan will teach you lots. Step 2. You must have the anime poster. Yes, the anime poster will help you. Yes, anime poster. Step 3. You must have mangoes scattered all over your play environment. Everywhere you need to have mangoes. Everywhere. Step 5. Tissues. Why do you ask you need the tissues? When you need tissues for you need the tissues to swipe away your tears. Sob. Step 6, also I fucking forgot you need a drawing tablet. Actually no. Fuck the drawing tablet. What you really need is a trackpad for the box as well. You need a trackpad. The next step might surprise you, while what really improves your OSU performance might be K-pop. Yes, watching these hot men dance will improve your performance. Yes, my pretty men, dance. And finally, your next step is to actually play the game. Oh yes, look at that. Oh, I should have improved, but just give me a second. Oh look, I completed the map with only the trackpad. Oh look, I only completed the map with the trackpad. Anyways, I think that should be it for my beautiful tutorial of OSU. So see you next time.